In a town bursting with giggles and sunshine, a boy with a blue lunchbox carried dreams. He felt ordinary but yearned for something magical. On a golden afternoon, he unwrapped a simple peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Suddenly, a warm glow enveloped his lunchbox. Astonishment painted his face as the lunchbox's magic erupted. A treasure chest of wonders lay before him, glimmering in the beams of sunlight. His heart raced. Friends surrounded him, eyes bright with hope. Could he share this treasure? Could joy multiply? With a deep breath, the boy opened the chest wide. Aromas danced around, but the cookies had other plans. Up they flew, laughing all the while. And the joyous chaos erupted. Cookies pirouetted and giggled, gathering in a whirlwind of delight. The chase was on. Instead of stopping the frenzy, the boy led the charge. Laughter echoed as they joined the merry pursuit, hearts soaring with delight. Ribbons of joy colored the air, each cookie a twinkling star, each child a jubilant explorer on a festive quest. A gentle hush fell as the last cookie was captured. They all settled in a circle, breathless and beaming with glee. Magically sweet morsels were shared, each one a symbol of laughter turned treasure. Friendship blossomed with every delicious bite. As twilight embraced them, memories shimmered brighter than any treasure. They were forever connected by the magic of that day. Their adventure etched in hearts, the ordinary became extraordinary, and from that moment on, every lunchtime brimmed with magic.